Sometimes we want to remove a people from a photo, or remove large numbers of people from a photo. All we need to do is search for AVC AI. Then find this free AI removal tool in the sidebar. Just upload the photo to the program. Then you can start smearing the parts you don't need. For the convenience of operation, you can enlarge the picture to a suitable size. Then adjust the brush size. In the detail part, the brush needs to be adjusted to a small size to obtain a more perfect effect. You can also zoom in on the picture again. It doesn't matter if you accidentally paint it wrong, just undo it. After the character is painted, just click Remove. Now it is the effect after removal. Click here to see the before and after comparison. It's completely free, and if you are satisfied, just click Export. That's all for today. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe us.